Okay, I finished.
Daddy, where are you? I am here.
Yeah.
You are going to sleep.
Yeah.
Why me? Because you never do it. Okay, I have another option. No, and do it quickly.
Joyce, can I see the movie?
No,
Why? I have finished the homework.
no, I say no.
Please.
Yes, but when the two brothers finish. Hey, I finished.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Geraldine, do you finish it? Yes, shut up.
Yeah.
Don't say me shut up. You shut up.
Yeah.
No, you. You.
Yeah.
Go to your room, close the door, if you can see the movie.
Yeah.
Why I can see the movie?
Yeah.
No, because you are punished. Oh my god, you never punish me. Out of here.
Why are you crying?
What happened? Why did she cry? My sister always punishes me. Joyce, let Geraldine see the movie because she never see movies.
We never finish early and we never can see the movie together.
Now it's just too late, and we can't go